In this video, we'll be sharing the latest mdInfinity Cloud and desktop updates. I'm Robert Chrisman, Voice of the Customer and Marketing Manager. mdInfinity is our unique data processing software solution to help you quickly and efficiently process geospatial data. Joining me is Jaume Cazola, our mdInfinity product owner, who will explain these latest updates for both cloud and desktop. Jaume, the first update we'll address is the data processing module ground classification, which is now available in both mdInfinity desktop and cloud. Let's see how you can use this software to isolate the ground from other features in the point cloud.
Thank you, Robert, for the introduction. As you mentioned, now ground classification is available on mdInfinity Desktop and mdInfinity Cloud. Right now, I'm going to demonstrate how to use ground classification on mdInfinity Desktop, but it has a similar workflow on the cloud. The first thing, we will update mdInfinity to the latest version, that is 2021.4. We will access to the module ground classification. We will select first our payload. We will add the point cloud files. In the output section, you can select the terrain type that it contains the default parameters for the classification. Here you have 5 default parameters, and you can select, for our case, is hilly natural. Since we have a single building, we will select the size of the building and the slope. We will press next and process. After the processing is done, we can access to the classified point cloud. In this case, we will visualize the point cloud using the viewer. We will click in the viewer icon. Here in the viewer, we can see the point cloud generated. We will remove the unclassified point cloud, and we will visualize by classification. And here we have the bare ground we generated.
This will be a very useful module for our users. Next, let's review the other updates specifically for mdInfinity Desktop. Let's begin with the custom services where you can share your project and our team will optimize the processing module to deliver the best possible results.
Thank you, Robert. Custom services was added to mdInfinity Desktop. Using custom services, you can access to our geomatics specialists. They can process different modules. And just to mention, FORMap, point cloud direct colorization, and road classification are exclusive in custom services, and road classification is on beta testing. When you click in Request Custom Services, it will pop up this screen where you can select the type of processing needed, and our engineers will take it from here.
Our geomatics specialists are available to assist you today. Now let's see what's new with our LiDAR coverage preview.
Yes, Robert, in our latest update, we also work on the LiDAR coverage preview tool. In this tool, now we have simplified the user interface and added an auto selection for the coordinate system. If you select your raw point cloud data, automatically the T04 will be detected and the coordinate system will be selected. You just need to click process and your point cloud will be visualized. After the processing is done, we can access to the point cloud preview. Just to mention, this point cloud has been downsampled and his main use is to check the LiDAR coverage. And here we can visualize our flight.
The LiDAR coverage preview module is a great tool to have in the field to check your data before you leave the site. Next, we'll review the updates to mdInfinity Cloud, starting with trajectory processing.
Another feature added in mdInfinity Cloud is the addition of FORMap exterior orientation support.
Another useful tool for mdInfinity is the token estimator. Jaume, where can this be found?
Robert, token estimator has been moved from user account to resource section. You can find it in the resource section, token estimator.
Our final updates bring about additional coordinate reference systems.
We added new coordinate reference systems in mdInfinity Cloud and Desktop. We added for Europe ED50, for US NAD83 UTM in USfeet. And for Luxembourg, we updated LUREF coordinate system. On mdInfinity Cloud, we also added for Austria MGI coordinate system, the Slovakian coordinate system, Slovakian Geoid, and for Australia, we added a Geoid called Geoid 98.
Thank you, Jaume, for reviewing these new updates to mdInfinity Cloud and Desktop. If you have any further questions, please contact your representative or sign into client services.